Whoa! What do we got here?
Okay.
Ways to move heavy objects.
It was nice. Did you see it?
Yeah.
You just check it and it was easy. Wow.
Pretty good. Okay, so if you're moving some big
Okay.
things, you can just use some pipes.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
But what if your bricks
That's
will...
neat.
Wow.
I mean, but you have to have good accuracy to do that, right?
5 Minecrafts. You amaze me.
Okay, what do we got here? We got a big log, and you just rope it up.
Wow. Okay. No.
Ah! Using the momentum, so you don't have to
Yeah.
actually lift it up.
Nice.
Very cool.
Nice. Okay.
Cement mortar. So this is the opposite of when like there's a fire and you have
Yeah.
to jump out into the big trampoline thing.
Yeah, but you need 4 person for it.
That's not very efficient, I would say.
But you have a lot of friends.
I don't.
Yeah.
So we got
We will use this.
yeah, that's good. That's good. Oh no, it's not
So-
convenient to grab. What could I do? Rope it. Ropes are pretty handy, yeah.
Whoa, nice.
Not too bad.
Wow, it's actually every life hack works awesome.
Yeah?
I like it. Wow.
Okay, what are we doing here?
Just
Some
put
cement.
cement. Yeah, and then some tiny places.
So they got a levee here. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Pliers. That's sick.
Yeah. And they works nice.
Pretty neat. Packing.
It doesn't look like it's a heavy boxes.
No, yeah, if it's
It's
heavy
pretty-
boxes,
yeah.
that tarp is going out. Okay, just to lift up this.
What?
It's creating a winch. That's pretty cool.
What? But got a lot of work, efforts to make it
To move
over
2 pallets, yeah.
But maybe if you learn, okay.
I want to try it with like 5 pallets and see if it works. So they got a jack here. All right.
Okay, I got it.
Again, a little bit too much effort for the little log.
But still.
Spare wheel. Okay.
Oh no. Here's the way how to take out any plants.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
That works. I mean, I would be a little worried about going too far and it just like ripping through your car, but yeah.
So
That's pulling up. Hey, nice.
Here we go. Nice, guys. Nice.
Concrete mixer.
Oh.
That's really cool. Okay, that was it.
What was that?
The only, tip I have for picking up heavy things is to not use your back. Use your legs. That's it. Thanks, Grandpa. Okay, what are we doing here? Is this another winch? Winch?
Does look like so.
It looks like it.
Yeah, but
Oh, no.
what?
Oh, effortless shovel. Kind of cool.
Kind of cool, yeah.
But you can
I
only
don't
dig
know.
in one spot, right?
Yes,
Like, you can't go
yes.
anywhere else.
And yeah. It's
Wow.
okay. Well, just okay.
Smart way.
I didn't get anything
As
I just
opposed to
was
the
talking
dumb way.
Okay.
Alright, what are we doing here? Tying a knot.
Right,
Gonna loop it around a pole. Put our stones inside.
Inside.
All the prettiest stones that we've collected.
And
Okay, what are we doing now?
oh, backpack.
So it's kind of like a backpack. Okay.
Okay. Nice
Not too
backpack
bad.
with the bricks.
Yeah. All you need is
Some
2 sticks, a
bone.
bag, and a rope. Pretty good.
You know how you transfer your table. You
Yeah.
just need to go under it and be as a turtle. Nice. I love it.
I used to love Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, so I would always do that with anything I had. My mom had the wash
Yeah?
hamper, like the hamper to hold clothes.
Yep.
And I would put it around and tie it with a rope, and I would pretend to be Leonardo.
I did the same thing.
Yeah, nice. I think it's a universal love for the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
So, who is your favorite one?
Leonardo.
Leonardo.
How about you?
Michelangelo. Yes.
Michelangelo's pretty cool, yeah. Alright, what are we doing here? Making a tie. I mean, that's a handy way. Handy little knot there. If you went to the Boy Scouts, you know.
Yeah.
If you know, you know.
If you don't, you don't.
You don't. Good luck carrying anything. Okay, that was a very interesting shaped knot.
Nice.
Pretty comfortable. Okay.
Yeah. to drag empty bottle.
Yeah. It was empty. Yeah, it wasn't even heavy. Come on, guys, we want heavy. We want to see you carrying heavy.
We need real
Jump.
tests,
Yes.
as we do.
I think we should test some really heavy things. with
Yes, yes, we will.
these. Interesting. Why? So he cut it in half first.
Yeah.
Ah, it's a little jack.
Oh, okay, nice.
That's kind of neat.
Yeah, right. Cool.
Mini jack. Oh no, too much. Time to get the bucket. Ah, I know what this is. This is like how they pour things from the roof,
Okay.
like concrete and stuff like that.
Ah,
Or not concrete, like yeah, items.
any trash and everything. Yeah.
It's like a little slide. I always used to want to be smaller so I could fit in them, you know, and slide into the trash.
But where can I get so many bags?
Buckets.
Buckets, sorry. Yeah.
Just go to the bucket store.
bucket store and buy 1,000 of them.
1,000 buckets. All right. So we're taking this table apart for some reason, or a stool. Why?
I didn't get.
And then taping it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Handy
Yes.
hack for moving your furniture.
Nice.
Not too shabby.
You always can lose them.
Yeah,
always.
they
And
go everywhere. Yeah.
At least one you can lose them, and all the time you can spend on looking for.
Yeah, I save them by putting them random places in my house so that I'll never see them again. Okay, what are we doing here? Got a rug that we're taking apart.
It's
What if it's a nice rug?
it's kind of weird for moving, right?
Yeah.
Something to destroy it before
Just
you
destroy it
Yeah.
beforehand, it's fine. You want to save your TV? Just cut off the top part of the TV and wrap it into the other side.
Or you can throw any of your stuff and you don't need to move
Yeah,
any
your
of
clothes,
Yes.
whatever. You can easily fold your clothes by cutting your clothes off.
And throw them.
Yes. So we're cutting this cardboard box weird,
Uh-huh.
so we can make it smaller.
Yes, making our shape.
Different shapes. That is very cool.
That's good.
Not
There
a
we
bad
go.
technique. Now we can move our yoga mats peacefully. Zen.
Okay.
Okay, we got... Why? Why? What?
What the hell?
1 minute?
And it dry.
I'm
I'm not sure.
I don't know. Maybe.
But it looks like it works.
It looks like it's safe, I guess. But I want to see them shake it up and stuff and see if
Exactly.
it's actually safe.
Because they touch each other, right?
Yes.
And they can break to each other.
Yeah, so they need to pour a little bit after each plate.
So I think we need to test.
We need to test.
We need to test. So subscribe to our channel to see the more test.
Exactly.
So small. Oh,
So... Okay.
okay.
It's like...
Just a I don't.
Before you go to IKEA, you just, you know...
template for your
Living room, I guess?
I'm
Yeah.
confused.
That's cool. That's actually nice to have those rubber barriers between your plates.
I think this works better than previous
I
one, right?
agree.
That's nice.
Yeah, unless you want to turn it on again, and then you're gonna have a house fire. Don't do that.
So, okay.
Pretty good. Okay.
Okay. Uh-huh.
On the other side, so that they don't break off.
Yes.
Very smart.
Very smart. Sometimes you
film.
watch on something, yeah, and you look like, and you think like, where you was all my life.
Yeah, exactly.
Like,
yeah.
And it sometimes it's so obvious that it works like so that you shocked a bit why you didn't,
Why you didn't
came
think
up
about
with
it? Yeah, exactly.
So
Does that really? Okay. So we're putting this on the soap, some paper towels, wrap it up,
and
rubber band.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. I don't use soap, so it's not really relevant to me. Nice, that's good actually, so it doesn't crease. Pretty useful. What have we here? Okay, that looks like you're gonna use a lot of plastic cups, but do you, man?
If you're gonna reuse them after,
Yeah,
okay,
Good.
yeah.
we approve. Alright, that was kind of cute, but I feel like you could just do it without the little gadget, but nah.
Okay, some airbag.
But I feel like the air is gonna escape anyway.
No, it shouldn't if it
I
was
guess.
closed good. Why not?
Okay, so you don't need bubble wrap. Just get Ziploc bags. That really zip. This looks silly.
Would she use
With a
the-
clothing iron to seal it.
Oh, nice.
Okay,
Nice.
we need more!
More 5-minute crafts reactions!
More reactions!